Hello, this is 4 of Rally Race Guys, and today we're actually going to be doing stuff on Pat. I've done the wiring loom and I've just pushed that out of the way. Okay, now I've got the tools to show you how to prep your car and without great expense. It's not that expensive to prep your car. All you need is a drill, which any old drill will do. I've got this one. I bought it as a package deal. It cost me less than a £5. You could probably pick them up from the car boot or something. A grinder, you can pick them up from Screwfix for around 25 to 30 quid. A heat gun, 20 quid again. A basic set of if you don't want to splash the cash out on a grinder, but a grinder will help you so much faster and get the process done a lot faster and with a lot better quality. You can also do it with the drill, but it's less quality. The wire brushes, a standard engineer's hammer, or if you really want, you can go for a panel beating hammer. Primer, preferably like auto body primer or whatever, just to get a layer on the layer over the rust killer, because as you can see here, we're developing a little bit of rust, or it looks like rust on top. I just want to get it so it's nice, but I won't do that on the ones that I'm going to weld up. I'm only going to do that on the ones that I want to keep, so I don't have to go through all the regrinding of that paint again, etc, etc, etc. So here, let's pull you over. Okay, so move that one out of the way. Let me just... I've just grabbed my torch. Okay, so just to show you, okay, we've got this massive hole. So we've got this massive hole which we're going to, there's not much, it looks like a bit of surface rust, but that's about it. We want to grind this down and rust treat it just so we've got that added extra protection. And we're going to weld onto this because I want to get rid of these. Rust protect these because this is where the where I've got my harness mounting point. I want to rust treat these because we're hopefully going to use them in the future with our bars. Maybe not, but it's just worth it so we don't have any spread of rust. Also these, also this as well. Position right here. We've got some flakiness here, just it's only surface, it's nothing major. Same over here, but we're just going to treat everything we can best quality, because if you do it right once, you're never going to have to do it again. So we've got a hole here where I've drilled to let some water out, and also some there, and there's some other holes there. There's not many holes to show you. But once you've got the technique down and you follow my technique, you'll be plain sailing, and you won't be. It'll just come naturally to you. Just for reference, these that attach to the grinder, the drill, there's a pack of 3, which there's one there. And 2 more like this. Yeah, these can be used in different scenarios, and also we just to make it nicer, we've got a flatter wheel as well when we're doing some welding, and we've got a bigger one for the drill as well. It's better off if you get a a couple of grinders. So here we've just got one for the wire wheel, and we've got one for the cutting discs and grinding discs, etc. But yeah, with this Hydrate 80, you can get this from OP Oils. It's a rust killer. It's about £16 for 500ml. 500ml will last you a lifetime. All you need is a small paintbrush and just to paint it on it, as you can see. But yeah, let's get going. Okay, so here we have all the tools laid out, and we have each. So we have the light plugged in, and each other one plugged in, so it's ready for use and easy access. They're out of the way at the moment, just so we've got clear, nice working area. Got my other light here, so we get some more light down there. Okay, so we have everything laid out. PPE next. You want to be safe as possible. Please only use these tools and equipment. And if you only feel safe, and if you don't, get somebody else to do it and show you how to do it. Obviously we've got gloves, we've got eye protection, hearing protection, which is little M3, earplugs, and I'm kneeling down, so it just makes it easier and nicer. Yeah, have a clean working area where nothing's gonna catch fire or anything like that, because there are sparks that are generated from it. So okay, I will show you what to do then. I'll give you a quick overview. So I'm popping my hood up, goggles on, ear protection in. You can use the foam ones or you can use these ones. I like these ones because they're reusable and these fit in my ears better as well. Something along the lines of that, we're just going to brush away all the debris. But we know where we're working and we've got a clean work, so you may need a cloth because unfortunately we've got a leaky water matrix. Okay, so we'll start on this hole here first. Hopefully you can see that. But basically all you want to do is get this this wire brush in and tighten it up. This is simply like this one you can lock and speed. So all you want to do is pop this in the centre of the hole and let it go. Give it 2 or 3 seconds, roll it around, and I'll show you what I mean. That simple. So I'm just going to wipe the debris, all the paint and rust that's come off, and I'll show you. So as you can see, this is what it looked like previously, and that's what it looks like now. So now nice and shiny, and come on, focus. Nice and shiny. And I'll get on with the rest. So, a quick update, and just to end this vlog, we have just, through doing what I was doing, I've encountered a couple of problems. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a lot of rust down there. This is not good. So I'm working my way up here, but I just give it a little clean. and it seems like it's a localised area, which is good. But under here, I have done a bit more. But the next thing is, because of the amount of mess I'm making with the seam sealer and stuff like that, the dash is coming out. I don't want to get it more mucky than it needs to be. Also, we will be able to seam weld it, but it's just going to take a lot of time. So we're going to do all of it. Go right round, like flat it down, take these eyelets out, go around there. Yeah, it's getting very cold. But the next thing is we're going to have to drop the tank after taking the dashboard out. We have to drop the tank. We're going to have to so we can have a look at the extent of the damage and actually see what's what, which is rather disappointing because I just thought it was just this little bit there. But yeah, that's really disappointing. I spent hours on it, hours grinding it back and hoping and praying that it hadn't spread. But luckily it's in a localised area. But we will further the conquest of rust tomorrow, and I'll do a lot more grinding, etc. On a positive side, we've got most of the stuff painted, which I'll show you now. So in here the toolbox is all black now, same as the tray and bracket. Well, I've just found a washer that goes with the bracket, so I've painted that. I've painted all inside, etc. So that'll all be good. There's my welding. It's not the best, but it'll do. But yeah, we've that is the positives of today. That's what we've achieved. But yeah, so it's a little bit disappointing, but we'll get on with it straight away. But yeah, so if you want to follow more of the vlogs, subscribe to us and please like the video, just so we know we're appreciated. And comment about anything you want. You ask us any questions, we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Also, pledge to our Patreon. Hopefully, if through our Patreon we can get this on the road a bit quicker, and also maybe start a couple more projects. So any donation that can help would be great. Also, subscribe to our social media, and thanks for watching. Bye.